For a powerful and purposeful ride that'll turn heads on the street, look no further than the 2021 Camry. Since it hit the market nearly 40 years ago, Camry has set the sedan trend around the world. Not to mention, it's also been the best-selling car in America since 2002. Let's learn more about this iconic vehicle. Like many modern Toyotas, Camry's lineup is divided along two paths, the L grades and the sporty S grades. Along either path, customers can choose to equip their Camry with Toyota's available dynamic torque control all-wheel drive, or they can go for more efficiency with a hybrid model. And on the sports side, this also includes a new XSE hybrid grade, which enhances SE Hybrid's performance-oriented design with plenty of convenience features. Additionally, the Camry lineup includes two special edition models, SE Nightshade and TRD. SE Nightshade elevates the vibe with a range of black exterior accents, while the aggressive TRD trim amps up the performance both mechanically and visually. Camry's empowered styling matches its performance with an adventurous look that expresses its fun-to-drive character. This year, LE and XLE grades feature a revised front fascia shape and grille design, as well as new wheel designs on the gas and all-wheel drive grades, while SE and XSE grades also receive a new lower fascia shape, new honeycomb grille, and wheel updates. Camry's styling can vary significantly between grades, so drivers can find the vehicle that fits their personality. For instance, Camry XLE grades are equipped with standard 18-inch alloy wheels and a chrome-finished exhaust tip, while the new XSE Hybrid features 19-inch wheels and a dual-tipped exhaust. Plus, the available LED headlights with black accents help drivers to see and be seen, with fully integrated LED daytime running lights and LED taillights. And as for the special editions, SE Nightshade delivers a seriously sleek look with its black wheels and black trim, including the door handles, mirror caps, badging, and more. Meanwhile, Camry TRD trim also dishes out the head-turning looks with a set of 19-inch matte black wheels, a gloss black aero kit with a raised black rear spoiler, and red brake calipers. Inside Camry, the refined and spacious cockpit interior is tailored for the drive, but also offers a great deal of comfort and convenience. With Softex-trimmed sports seating on SE grades and leather-trimmed seating on XLE and XSE grades. Plus, the available dual-zone automatic climate control lets drivers and passengers dial in the ideal temperature. All in all, this inviting interior offers plenty of space for passengers, while the trunk has the cargo capacity for impromptu road trips with family and friends. And Camry TRD's added performance design also makes its way into the interior with a unique MID startup screen, red contrast stitching in seatbelts, and TRD stitched front headrests. Camry's breakthrough styling leaves a lasting impression, but it's the technology that brings it all home. The new Floating Dash audio multimedia touchscreen gives drivers easy access to media controls right in line of sight, especially with the available 9-inch touchscreen, which can be further upgraded with a 9-speaker JBL system with a subwoofer for extra bass. But no matter the touchscreen size, all of Camry's audio multimedia systems have plenty of amazing features, including standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for Android users to stay connected to their mobile devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away, and a complimentary 3-month SiriusXM All-Access trial offers more than 300 satellite radio stations throughout the country. Finally, Camry also includes an impressive list of available connected services and convenience technologies, like an available 10-inch head-up display, an available 7-inch multi-information display, Qi wireless smartphone charging, and so much more. And of course, to take in the big open sky, there's even an available panoramic glass roof. Built on the proven TNGA platform, Camry offers enhanced handling and overall ride comfort, with a wider stance and lower center of gravity that puts drivers in command. In fact, the SE and XSE grades are both designed with a sport-tuned suspension for added control, while the SE and XSE hybrid grades prove that a fun-to-drive car doesn't have to come at the expense of efficiency. And when it comes to speed, the available 3.5-liter V6 engine proves that Camry's performance is more than just comfort and capability. Plus, Camry's 4-cylinder engine can be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with available paddle shifters, as well as an available all-wheel drive system that can automatically direct up to 50% of engine torque to the rear wheels to help maintain traction in challenging conditions. Finally, the track-inspired TRD grade boasts an upgraded suspension system, thicker underbody bracing, and larger front brakes, while a unique exhaust system helps make this Camry's presence known. It goes without saying that Camry's safety systems represent the cutting edge. To that end, all Camry models now come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, Toyota's latest advanced suite of active safety technologies that features newly enhanced functionality for features like pre-collision system, lane departure alert with steering assist, and road sign assist. Along with its 10 standard airbags, every Camry also features Star Safety System, a robust safety suite that's designed to help prevent accidents from occurring in the first place. Plus, Camry also offers available safety features like blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, intelligent clearance sonar with rear cross traffic braking, and a bird's eye view camera with perimeter scan for those hard-to-see objects. All in all, the 2021 Camry is a truly inspiring mid-size car with a knockout combo of style, performance, and remarkable value. And this is taken even further on hybrid grades, with the enhanced Toyota Hybrid Battery Warranty, which lasts for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first. With its approachable starting MSRP, as well as great ownership perks like the 2-year Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, it's no wonder why Camry is captivating a whole new generation.